Hello and welcome back to Essential Skills for Product Managers. And in this lesson, we'll explore effective communication strategies and seamless omni-channel presence for product managers. Let's continue. In this lesson, we'll cover seamless omni-channel presence, effective communication strategies for product managers, and collaborating with cross-functional teams using AI-enhanced tools. Each section, like always, will include definitions, practical examples, relevant data and statistics, and step-by-step guidance to help you master communication and collaboration in product management. Let's start with the definition of seamless omni-channel presence. What is it? Seamless omni-channel presence refers to the ability to provide a consistent and integrated user experience across all channels and touchpoints. Whether your users interact with your product through a mobile app, website, email, social media, or customer support, the experience remains uniform and cohesive. So, what makes omni-channel presence important? Well, first is consistency. Ensures users receive the same level of service and information regardless of the channel. Enhanced user experience. It provides a smooth and intuitive experience, reducing friction and increasing satisfaction. And increased engagement encourages users to interact with your product through their preferred channels, and brand loyalty builds trust and reliability, fostering long-term relationships with users. According to a report by Salesforce, 73% of consumers expect a seamless experience across all channels, and 54% are likely to abandon a brand that offers inconsistent experiences. So that makes it really important. Let's talk about the importance of omnichannel presence in product management. As a product manager, maintaining an omni-channel presence is crucial for several reasons. Number one is user-centric approach. Focuses on meeting users where they are, providing flexibility and convenience. Second is data integration. Consolidates data from multiple channels to gain comprehensive insights into user behavior and preferences. Third is competitive advantage. Differentiates your product by offering a superior and consistent user experience across all touchpoints. Fourth is operational efficiency. Streamlines processes and reduces redundancies by integrating communication and support channels. For an example, consider a user who interacts with your product through a mobile app, a website, and customer support. An omni-channel presence ensures that their preferences and history are recognized and addressed consistently across all interactions, enhancing their overall experience and satisfaction. For an example, let's look at Amazon as a prime example of seamless omni-channel presence. The key features are unified user accounts. Users can access their account and order history across their website, mobile app, and voice assistants like Alexa. You will find consistent branding. Amazon maintains a consistent look and feel across all platforms, reinforcing brand identity. Integrated services, features like Subscribe and Save and Amazon Prime are accessible and functional across multiple channels. Then you get personalized recommendations. Data from all touchpoints are used to provide personalized product recommendations, enhancing the user experience. The outcome? Amazon's omnichannel strategy has led to increased user engagement, higher customer retention rates, and a dominant market position in e-commerce. A study by Omniscient found that companies with a strong omnichannel presence achieve 91% higher year-over-year customer retention rates compared to those without it. So, how do you achieve omnichannel presence? Achieving a seamless omnichannel presence involves several key steps. Step 1 is understanding your channels. You identify the key channels, determine which channels your users frequent the most: mobile app, website, email, social media. You analyze the channel performance, evaluate the effectiveness of each channel in terms of user engagement and conversions. Step 2 is you integrate data across channels. You centralize the data, you use CRM systems to collect and unify data from all channels, and you ensure data consistency. Maintain consistent data formats and standards across different platforms. Step 3, you maintain consistent branding and messaging. With a unified design language, you use the same color schemes, fonts, and visual elements across all channels, and there's a consistent tone of voice. You ensure that the messaging style and language remains uniform, whether it is a marketing email or a support chat. Step 4, you personalize the user experiences. By leveraging data insights, you use data from various channels to tailor user experiences based on individual preferences and behaviors. You implement AI-driven personalization. You utilize AI tools to automate and enhance personalized interactions. Step 5, you streamline customer support by offering multi-channel support. Offer customer support through multiple channels like live chat, email, phone with integrated ticketing system. And AI-powered assistants. Implement AI chatbots to provide instant support and handle common queries across all platforms. So that's how you achieve omni-channel presence. Let's come to or talk about effective communication strategies for product managers. Effective communication is a cornerstone of successful product management. As a product manager, you must convey ideas clearly, right? Listen actively and foster open dialogue within your team and with stakeholders. Some of the key communication strategies are active listening, you engage fully, you reflect, and you clarify. You have a clear and concise messaging. You simplify complex ideas and you avoid using jargons. Then you tailor communication. You know your audience, adjust your communication style based on the audience's roles, knowledge level, and preferences, and you use appropriate channels. You choose the most effective communication medium for your message, and then consistently update. You do regular check-ins, schedule consistent meetings and updates to keep everyone informed. Have transparent reporting, share progresses, challenges, and changes openly to build trust. And then you build feedback loops, encourage feedback, and act on feedbacks. A survey by PMI, that is Project Management Institute, found that 89% of high-performing teams emphasize effective communication as a key factor in their success. Moving on to key communication skills for product managers. To communicate effectively, product managers should develop the following skills. Well, this is not much about AI and ChatGPT, but more about how a product manager should be. So some of the key communication skills are like presentation skills. You engage with your audience using storytelling techniques. We're using visual aids, slides, charts, and visuals. You have excellent negotiation skills. You find the common ground and handle the conflicts really well. You're good with the written communication by preparing clear documentation and writing effective emails. Your verbal communication is good with clarity and confidence and adaptability. And your emotional intelligence. So you understand emotions well and you build rapport really well. For an example, let's say, imagine presenting a new product feature to the executive team. By using clear visuals, storytelling, and addressing potential concerns proactively, you can effectively communicate the value and gain their support. According to a LinkedIn survey, 57% of leaders consider communication as the most important skill for career development or career advancements. That's huge. Awesome. So let's move on to have a look at an example of effective communication within a product management context. The case study could be Slack's product manager communication strategy. The scenario is like Slack is developing a new integration feature with popular project management tools like Asana and Trello. Now the product manager needs to communicate the project's progress and benefits to both the development team and executive stakeholders. So how would the communication strategy look like? It would start with an initial briefing. That would be a kickoff meeting. Conduct a meeting with the development team to outline the feature's objectives, timelines, and roles. And build a visual roadmap. Present a visual roadmap using tools like AHA to illustrate the feature development stages. Then you regularly update, have weekly stand-ups, and take a look at the progress reports. Send weekly email updates to executives highlighting key milestones and next or any obstacles. You hold stakeholders presentations. You organize demo sessions to showcase completed features and gather feedback. And then you integrate the feedback, actively incorporate shareholder feedback into the development process and communicate how their input is being addressed. And final presentation. Build a comprehensive report summarizing the features, development, benefits, and impact of user experience. And prepare success metrics. Present data on user adoption rates and satisfaction levels post launch. The outcome? By maintaining clear and consistent communication, Slack's product manager ensured that the development team was aligned, executives were informed, and stakeholders felt valued and involved. This approach led to a successful feature launch, resulting in increased user engagement and positive feedback. Statistics that we have from Slack: effective communication strategies like those used by Slack can lead to a 25% increase in project success rates, as indicated by Forrester research in 2023. Great. Now, creating and implementing effective communication strategies involve a structured approach. It's not something like that you do it on a whim, but there is a structured approach. And here is how you can develop your own. Step 1 is to identify your communication goals. You define the objectives, you set clear goals. Step 2 is you understand your audience. You segment your audience and you assess the needs and preferences. Step 3, you choose appropriate communication channels. You select the channels where your audiences are and you leverage AI tools to streamline communication across multiple channels. Step 4, you develop a clear and consistent messaging. You craft your message and you use visual aids as much as possible. Step 5 is you implement communication practices. You establish a schedule for regular updates and check-ins, and you encourage feedback and active participation from your audience. Now, once all of the 5 steps are done, next you're left with monitoring and adjusting. So you use metrics such as engagement rates, feedback quality, and goal achievement to assess the effectiveness of your communication strategies. And then you refine them. You make necessary adjustments based on feedback and performance data to continuously improve your communication efforts. For example, if your goal is to keep the development team informed about project progress, you might schedule weekly stand-up meetings, send out detailed weekly reports via email, and use a project management tool like Jira integrated with Slack for real-time updates. According to Harvard Business Review 2023, organizations that implement structured communication strategies see a 47% improvement in team collaboration and project outcomes. That's a good number. Moving on to collaborating with cross-functional teams using AI-enhanced tools. Collaboration with cross-functional teams is essential for successful product management. AI-enhanced tools can facilitate this collaboration by improving communication, streamlining workflows, and providing actionable insights. What are the benefits of AI-enhanced collaboration tools? Well, enhanced communication. AI tools can translate messages, schedule meetings, and manage communications across different time zones. Streamline workflows, automate routine tasks, manage project timelines, and track progress seamlessly. You get data-driven insights, provide analytics and reports to inform decision-making and optimize team performance, and have improved coordination. Ensure all team members are aligned with project goals and updates in real time. Some of the key AI-enhanced collaboration tools: Slack with AI integrations like chatbots, automate reminders, meeting summaries, and text assignments. You can integrate with project management tools, sync with Jira, Trello, and Asana for seamless updates. Have Microsoft Teams with AI features, AI-powered transcriptions, automatically transcribe meetings for any easy reference, and task automation. Use AI to create and assign tasks based on meeting discussions. You have Notion with AI assistants. Use AI to draft meeting notes, project plans and documentation, and organize and retrieve information effectively using AI-powered search. Then you also have Asana with AI enhancements. that uses predictive analytics, forecast project timelines, and identify potential bottlenecks. Automated workflows, streamline task assignments, and progress training. Let's look at collaborating with AI enhanced tools. What are the steps to it? Step 1 is selecting the right tools. Now, this is really important. You assess the team needs, identify the collaboration challenges your team faces, and you choose AI enhanced tools. You implement and you integrate. Now, once you have identified, you set up the tool, configure the selected tools to suit your team's workflows. You ensure seamless integration with other platforms like CRM, project management, and communication tool. Once that is done, you train your team. You offer training sessions, make them aware of the best practices, and so on. And then you also create documentation. You develop guides and resources. Step 4 is you optimize the workflows. You automate routine tasks, use AI to handle repetitive tasks such as scheduling meetings, sending reminders, and updating project statuses. And you leverage AI insights, utilize AI generated reports and analytics to make informed decisions and improve team performance. Step 5 is you foster a collaborative culture, encourage open communication, promote transparency and regular communication within the team. For an example, let's say using Slack with integrated AI chatbots, a product manager can automate the creation of daily stand-up summaries, ensuring that all team members are informed about project progress and next steps without manual effort. Let's take an example again of successful collaboration with AI tools. Let's explore a real-world example of how AI-enhanced tools facilitate effective collaboration within a cross-functional team. Zoom's use of AI for team collaboration. The scenario is like Zoom is developing a new video conferencing feature aimed at enhancing virtual meetings. The product manager needs to collaborate with engineering, design, marketing, and customer support teams to ensure the feature's success. So the collaboration strategy would look like this with AI tools. Centralized communication. The tool Slack integrated with Zoom, AI feature, chatbot schedule meetings, send reminders, and transcribe meeting notes. Project management, tools like Asana with AI predictive analytics. AI feature is forecasting project timelines and identifying potential delays. Documentation and knowledge sharing, tool like Notion with AI content generation. The AI feature is automatically generate and update project documentation and knowledge bases. Data analysis and reporting, Tableau integrated with AI analytics once again. It helps in generating real-time reports on feature usage and user feedbacks. The implementation steps could look like setting up AI enhanced tools, integrating Slack with Zoom and Asana, automating routine tasks, facilitating knowledge sharing, and analyze data for insights. The outcome? By leveraging AI enhanced collaboration tools, Zoom's cross-functional teams were able to communicate more efficiently, streamline project workflows, and make data-driven decisions. This led to the successful launch of the new video conferencing feature, resulting in a 30% increase in user engagement and a 25% boost in customer satisfaction. Let's have some data and statistics for you. 60% of product managers report that AI enhanced collaboration tools has led to a 25% increase in productivity. 55% of teams using AI tools for collaboration achieve project deadlines 20% faster. 70% of organizations find that AI-enhanced communication tools improve team engagement and morale. And companies implementing AI collaboration tools see an average of 15% reduction in operational costs related to communication and project management. Some of the key takeaways: having an omni-channel presence, effective communication strategies, collaboration with cross-functional teams, importance of AI in communication, enhancing communication and collaboration. In the next lesson, we'll talk about data-driven decision making. We'll explore how to leverage data and analytics to make informed product decisions. We'll cover techniques for collecting and analyzing data using AI tools to derive insights and implementing data-driven strategies to optimize your product's performance. Make sure that you study today's material and consider how effective communication and collaboration strategies can enhance your product management practices. Should you have any questions, give a try to all the tools that we talked about. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section and I'll be happy to help. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.